Good morning, student. Today we will continue first chapter rational number. It is fifth part of rational number. Previous 4 video was only on the based of basic concept of rational number. I think you all have learned all the properties related to rational numbers. In this video we will start exercise 1.1. Now the first question of this exercise is add the following rational numbers, solve any two on the number line. Okay, here you can see that it is exercise 1. First question, 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. We can solve this on the number line also on by numeric method. So first we will solve this question by the numeric method. 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. First we solve this small bracket. So we will get here 5 by 2 plus and minus will be multiplied. We will get minus 3 by 4. You can see that what is the LCM of 2 and 4? LCM 2 and 4 is 4. So 4 will be divided by 2, we will get 2, and 2 will be multiplied by 5, we will get here 10. Here we have negative sign, so here we will write negative sign. 4 divided by 4 we will get 1, and 1 will be multiplied by 3, we will get 3. Okay, 10 minus 3, 7 upon 4. Okay. Now same question we will solve second method on number line. Okay. To solve on the number line, first we will make the denominator same in both value. We know that here we have in denominator 2 and here is 4. So in this case 5 by 2 we will make the denominator is 4. So for 5 by 2 we will make the denominator 4. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So it will be multiplied by 2. 5 into 2, 10. 2 into 2, 4. You can see that the same value we can write like this. 10 upon 4, and plus and minus will be multiplied, we will get negative sign, and here we have already 4, so this number will be as it is plus minus minus and 4. So actually this value we can write like this. To solve on the number line, first we make the denominator same. Okay, after that we will get this value. Now this can be solved on the number line. So first we will take 10 by 4. Here we have 10 by 4. Okay, and here we can see that 1 by 4 have same value. Here is a difference between two consecutive point is 1 by 4. Okay, here we have 3 by 4 and negative. So we will subtract 3. We will skip 3 values because we have here 3 by 4 and negative sign. So at the 10 by 4, from this we will skip 3 values. At left side, why we take left side? Because I told you that whenever we will subtract on number line, we will skip at the place on the left side. Whenever we add two values, rational number, we will go at the right side. Here is negative sign, so we will go skip 3 values. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. You can see that we come at the 7 by 4, and same we get the answer by numeric method is 7 by 4. So answer is 7 by 4. Okay, you got it? How we can solve any rational numbers? We can add or subtract rational numbers on number line. Now second part of first question, minus 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 5 by 6. Okay, first we solve this small bracket. To solve this small bracket, we will multiply plus and minus. We know that plus into minus is minus. Okay, so here will come negative sign, 4 upon 5 plus 5 upon 6. Okay, now here is rational numbers and here is plus and minus, so we will take LCM of 3, 5 and 6. You know that, I think, how we take LCM 3, 5 and 6. Now 6 is smallest prime number is 2 and 6 is divisible by 2, so we will take here 2. Okay, 3 as it is, 5 as it is, 2 3 are 6. Again 3, 5. Okay, so LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3, 6, 6, 5, 30. Okay, so LCM is 30. So 30 divided by 3 is 10, and 10 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 20. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 divided by 4, we get 24. And here it is positive sign. 30 divided by 6, 5, and 5 will be multiplied by 5, 25. So first we know that negative, negative, positive. Minus minus is plus. So minus 20 and minus 24 will get minus 4. But sign will be negative because greater value has negative sign. Plus 25 upon 30. minus 44 plus 25. So plus minus is minus. So 44 and 25 we get 19, but greater value have negative sign, so minus 90 upon 30. So answer is minus 19 upon 30. Okay. Now the third part of first question is for homework. You have to solve this question by numeric method and by number line. Okay, now the fourth part of this question is minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. First we have to convert the mixed fraction in normal fraction. So 3 will be multiplied by 2, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 upon 3 minus 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5. Okay, the LCM of 3 and 5, 15. Okay, 15 divided by 3, 5, and 5 will be multiplied by 7, 35. And here we have negative sign, so we will put here negative sign. Here is plus, so plus. 15 divided by 5, 3, and 3 will be multiplied by 23, we will get 69. Plus minus is minus, so we will subtract both values. And minus 35 plus 69, we will get 34 upon 15. Because greater value have positive sign, so we will put here positive sign. So answer is 34 upon 15. Now the fifth part is for homework. Minus 6 upon 5 plus minus 13 upon 7. You have to do at home. Now the next question, 6. Minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 4 upon 57. We know that here we have given small bracket. So first we will solve this small bracket. So minus 8 upon 19, as it is plus into minus is minus 4 upon 57. The LCM of 19 and 57, we will take 19 and 57. Okay, so 19 is a prime number. We will divide both the number by 19. Okay, 9 and 19, 3 is 57. Here 3. Okay, 19 into 3, LCM is 57. So LCM is 57. Okay, so here we will write 57. 57 divided by 19, we will get 3. So minus 3 into 8 is equals to 24. Okay, minus 57 divided by 57, 1, and 1 will be multiplied by 4, we will get 4. Minus is plus, so minus 24 and minus 4 is minus 28 upon 57. So answer is minus 28 upon 57. Okay student, I think you got all the questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.